Hi, this is Paige Dansinger at the Women Artists exhibit at the Horizon Art Museum. I'd love to share with you how we amplify community voices at the museum.
The bold colors and patterns made with recycled fabric seem to be giving me a tangible piece of Bendosh life. These quilts, made by women who were among the small population of enslaved Black families able to retain their history, channeled that into an artwork that ended up influencing all of U.S. art history.
Hi, I'm Victoria, also known as Queen Victory, because I am the queen of my own domain, and I am a badass bitch that has overcome many obstacles. So that's why I wanted to talk about Frida, because we both are badass bitches who have overcome many, many obstacles and are very much in our feelings all of the time. Here goes nothing.
Magdalena Carmen Frida Kahlo y Calderón was a badass bitch. She overcame so much pain. She once said, "I paint myself because I am often alone, and I am the subject I know best." And I gotta say, that's deeply relatable. I see a reflection of myself in her. We were both forged by fire. It gave us courage and creativity, the will to persevere against all odds. When the world kicks us in the face, we tell it to fuck off with our weapon of choice, our art.
We're really excited when we're able to amplify community voices. In this three-part workshop, we would like to teach women, diverse, and LGBTQ+ community members in virtual reality how to amplify their own voices by using world-building tools, primary shapes, triggers, and block scripting. The participants will be able to easily create buttons, sculptures, and whole environment worlds in which they are able to amplify their voices in ways that are best for them. This series will be free for the participating members as well as the viewers on live streaming. We want people to have access to world-building tools in which empower new voices. This three-part series will happen weekly over the course of a month. In Horizon Art Museum wishes to create a place to feel safe and welcome. Simple onboarding with learning how to create using the tools will make the difference from them being consumers into creators. Being a creator will open up new doors for opportunities of employment and leadership. These platforms can truly be places in which create more equitable life if they're led by diverse creators, and that's what Horizon Art Museum hopes to achieve ultimately by programs like Amplifying Voices and more in the future. Thank you.